What up, guys? It's your boy coming at you with a wheel swap. If you guys remember in the giveaway, I was talking about these two cars. I was going to swap the wheels out from this Porsche with the Buick here. As you guys know, Maisto makes some great cars, but the wheels kind of like suck. And at the moment, I don't have any wheels that I think that will work with these at the moment. Eventually, I have to order some at some point. But I'm going to try these wheels out, and you guys tell me what you think. Think if it's a good match or not. And maybe when I get some decent wheels, I can try to change them out again. So guys, both cars are drilled out. So I drilled both cars out. And the Maisto, as you guys know, don't have any interior, so it's just a piece of metal. So there we go, torn apart. So the next time you will see these cars, I may just leave the Porsche without wheels for right now, and definitely change the wheels on the Maisto. So guys, we'll be right back with the new look. And again, hopefully you enjoy this. I will see you soon. Okay guys, swap the wheels out. The only issue I have right now, the wheels from the Hot Wheels are a tad bit long. I guess I can cut them and make them fit. But like I say, this right now is just a temporary thing until I get some better wheels. But I think as of right now, even with the wheels long, I think this still looks pretty decent compared to having these wheels on there, you know? So guys, again, just tell me what you think. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you have any tips that you want to lay out on me, please, I'm open for anything. I don't know what's the best wheels to get for these cars. I think no matter what, Forest and Maisto, no matter what wheels I get, I think you're going to have to cut them to make them fit. Which is not a big issue, but just for right now, just for ecstatics, we're just gonna keep it like this, and until I get some new wheels, or I play around with the ones I have. Alright guys, so that'll be it. It's a quick wheel swap. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. And I will see you on the next one. I'm out. Bye now.